Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm gonna show that how to change gender privacy on Google account. For these settings, you have to open Google on your device. After opening Google on your device, you have to click here. After clicking here, you can see here manage your Google account. Click to manage your Google account. Then here you can see personal info icon. Click to personal info icon and scroll down. Click to gender and scroll down, and here you can see two options: only you and anyone. If you select only you, the information will be private, only private you can see it. If you select anyone, anyone can see this information when they communicate with you or view content that you create in Google service. Friends, that was the video topic. If this video helpful to you, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for getting new videos notification. I will come with another new exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye my dear friends.